Hello! Welcome to Rainforest Colors. Let's go!
Black colobus monkey. Black colobus monkey, like this one, spend most of their days and nights hiding in the rainforest canopy. See the monkey's long arms, fingers, and toes? These help it swing and climb through trees like a gymnast on bars. Did you know that black colobus monkeys' babies are born with black fur that changes to black after a few months? Just as my skin with the sun.
See you in our next color of this amazing rainforest colors. Bye-bye!